Okay, so welcome back to another Dynodaze video. Oh, look at this. This is exactly why I love coming to work, other than to see Richard's amazing and jolly face. So FD2, since the last time we've seen it, it's had a much bigger induction kit, this hybrid racer one, which is available on the website, so give us a shout if you need one. We're going to do a run and then get tuning with the Ecotech software, so here we go. Ooh, can you see? Look where the battery is, right down there. The hybrid racing little battery cage. So cool, so cool.
What car?
Lovely FD2.
I do love this. I love this car. It's like...
This car is immaculately clean, to be fair. He's imported it, paid a premium, I must admit. I'm not going to say what he paid, but he paid a premium. Yeah, he's very anal, I think. He's got some blue tape on the pedals.
A bit like you.
And on the kick strips, yeah, to stop, probably stop me putting my dirty feet on his pedals, to be fair.
I'd say so.
But yeah, lovely car, stunningly clean, immaculately clean, to be fair. We've seen this car before and tuned, obviously, as we did.
On the Ecotech software?
On the Ecotech software. We finished on 237, I believe, last time.
236 last time.
236 last time. And he's gone away and made a change to his induction kit, put a better induction kit on, or a bigger induction kit on.
Yeah, he's used the hybrid racing induction kit, the big bore hybrid racing induction kit available on the website. It's a lovely bit of kit, and it's the first time, believe it or not, I've seen one fitted to an FD2, because I was quite surprised where the battery relocation actually relocates to.
Yeah, because when you buy it, technically for the FN2, the tray doesn't fit, does it? So
No.
you never fit them, and obviously you don't see many of these, so therefore it was nice to see that, you know, the actual tray being used in its application.
That's because hybrid racing are in America.
Yeah,
They do not get FN2s over there.
No, they don't, no. Yeah, so, I mean, mapped up really well. We did have a little play around with the VTEC on this car. We had originally had it set at 5,000. Didn't really see any improvements moving it around last time, but we did move it again this time to 4.5 and did see some improvements, obviously, with the bigger induction kit. So we've dropped it down to 4.5, which gave us a little bit more in the mid-range. overall, we've made about 10 wheel horsepower across the graph, which is pretty good, I think, in my opinion.
No, I think it's fantastic.
Yeah, really, really good. We did work on the cam time a little bit more and ignition time a little bit more, and we finished today on 244.
244, which is brilliant, and this car deserves that kind of result because, like I say, I really like this car. I think it just looks stunning. You know, because it's like a saloon.
Yeah, yeah.
It just looks really
More of a touring car looking
yeah.
type
It looks
thing, ain't
really JD. I mean, it is JDM, ain't it? But it looks really JDM. And I do love the look of my FD2. Don't get me wrong, but the FD2's got something really special about it.
I think it's just because you don't see many as well, do you? So then that makes it a bit more special.
It, don't it? It just looks like it's been designed properly.
Yeah, it looks ace.
You look at, we were talking today, weren't we, about modern cars, and I've been talking about EF Civics, and I can't find a modern car that looks as good as a slammed EF Civic at the moment, and I'm just like, I think I've got an itch that must be scratched. So,
Get your money out.
Oh no, the trouble is if I don't get my money out now, and I wait, they're going to be like twice the price. I know they are.
Yeah, anything that's 90s based at the moment,
becoming retro.
It's becoming retro. Is demanded a premium, ain't it?
Because I remember they're crap. And now they're sought after, and I can understand why. Everything on my Instagram feed is EF Civics.
Oh, it's me.
So yeah, I'm starting to get a taste. Taste.
Well, should we have a look at that graph?
Yes, let's go and have a look at the graph.
Well, Richard's off to deal with his hay fever, and we can see the graph, and we've got red line is the last time we seen it when we mapped it previously, and blue line is as she's leaving today, which is a healthy 240. I'm calling that 244 brake horsepower, 210 at the wheels. Absolutely fantastic. Obviously, the code word for this video is going to be hybrid racing, so stick a hybrid racing code word in the comments below. If you love this car like I do, then tell us. What a colour, what a car. Just aesthetically gives me a bit of a twitch. I love it a lot. So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. Hey, Rich.
Yes.
We'll see him on the next one, won't we, mate?
Will do.
We will indeed.
Before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.